A and B are integers such that a cubed plus b cubed equal to 91. Find the value of a and b. Okay. So here we have a cubed plus b cubed equal to 91. And also we know a cubed plus b cubed equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now, from these two things, we conclude a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared equal to 91. Now, we know that these are the factors of 91, and we know that from this part it is positive, so a cubed plus b cubed is positive, so a cubed is greater than negative b cubed, so you can say a is greater than negative b, because negative b cubed equal to negative b cubed, you can conclude. It's important that if x cubed is greater than y cubed, you can conclude x is greater than y. So when a cubed is greater than negative b cubed, it is negative b cubed, a is greater than negative. So from here, if you take negative b to the left hand side, a plus b is positive. So this part is positive. This is also positive, so the middle one should be also positive. Now, if I want to check the cases, I can say it is 191. It is the next one. 7, 13, 13, 7, and 91, 1. Okay, so we have 4 cases. 1 case, 2 case, 3 case, and 4 cases. And if we check each of them, so case 1, a plus b is 1. Case 1, a plus b is 1. And a squared minus ab plus b squared equal to 91. Plus b squared equal to 91. Now, I can say b equal to 1 minus a. So I can say a squared minus a times b is 1 minus a plus b squared. 1 minus a plus b squared is 1 minus a squared equal to 91. So I know that x minus y squared equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Now, it will be a squared minus a plus a squared plus 1 minus 2 plus a squared. If we take 91 to left hand side, it will be negative 91 equal to 0. A squared, 3a squared. Negative a, negative 2a, negative 3a. And this part, 1 and negative 91, negative 90 equal to 0. So, if we divide by 3, a squared minus a minus 30 equal to 0. I can factorize a minus 5, a plus 6, or no, a plus 5, a minus 6 equal to 0. So a can be negative 5 from this one, a can be 6, and we know b is 1 minus a. So here b is 1 minus a is 6, and b 1 minus a negative 5. So found these two answers, and you can check. Problem says a cubed plus b cubed should be 91. So here, a cubed plus b cubed, a cubed is 216, negative b cubed 1 to 5 is 191. Okay, also you can check this one also works. So we found two answers here. Let's work on other cases. Okay, case 1 is this. Now, case 2, a plus b 7 and a squared minus ab plus b squared 13. So case 2, a plus b is 7, a squared minus ab plus b squared equal to 13. From here, we can conclude b equal to 7 minus a. If we subtract a from both sides, and if I replace here, a squared minus a times b 7 minus a plus 7 minus a squared equal to 13. Let's take 13 to left hand side, negative 13 equal to 0. So it will be a squared minus 7a plus a squared plus 49 minus 14a plus a squared minus 13 equal to 0. So a squared, a squared, a squared. We can conclude 3a squared. And this one, negative 21a, 49 minus 13 is 36 equal to 0. If we divide by 3, a squared minus 7a plus 12 equal to 0. Let's see, can we try 6 times 2? No. No. Here we can conclude. Okay. So if I want to solve it, I use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, if we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then I can say, let me see, negative 6, negative 1, 12, 3, 4. Oh, we can factorize. A minus 3, a minus 4 equal to 0. So we don't need to use quadratic formula. Also, with quadratic formula, we could solve this if we couldn't understand this. So a can be 3 or 4. If a is 3, we know b is 7 minus a. So b is 7 minus a, 4. And here b is 3. If we check, we know a cubed plus b cubed should be 91. So it will be 27, 3 squared plus 64. And it should be 91, and it's correct. So we found 2 other answers with previous one. Here, 4 answers. Let's check the third case. 13a plus b, and the next one, the next one 7, not 17. So case 3. A plus b equal to 13, and a squared minus ab plus b squared equal to 7. So again, if we use the same way, b equal to 13 minus a, if we subtract a from both sides, if I replace here a squared minus a times 13 minus a plus 13 minus a squared equal to 7. Now, here it will be a squared minus 13a plus a squared plus 13 squared, which is 169, minus 26a plus a squared, and let's take 7 to left hand side, minus 7 equal to 0. A squared, a squared, a squared. It will be 3a squared, negative 13a, negative 26a, negative 39a, plus 169 minus 7 plus 162 equal to 0. So a squared, if we divide both sides by 3, minus 13a plus 5, well, 54 equal to 0. So let's check. 54 is 2 times 27. If we want to use it here, okay. Here we should use quadratic formula. If you can't calculate delta, you will understand we don't have any answer. Why? If you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, if x is real, then it has answer. We conclude delta or discriminant, that is b squared minus 4ac should be at least 0. So if we use it here, we can conclude that delta here is b squared negative 13 squared minus 4ac, which is 1 times 54, equal to 169 minus 4 times 4, 16. We have 1, 4 times 5, 20, plus 1, this, less than 0. So here we will see we can't find any answer. The last one, the fourth one, 91, 1. So for a plus b is 91, and a squared minus ab plus b squared is 1. So here I can say b equal to, if we subtract a from both sides, 91 minus a. And if I replace it here, I will see a squared minus a times 91 minus a plus 91 minus a squared equal to 1. So let's calculate this. It will be a squared minus 91a plus a squared plus 91 squared minus 2 times this will be 2 is a plus a squared. Take 1 to left hand side. Negative 1 equal to 0. A squared, a squared, a squared. 3a squared, this part plus this part will be negative 3, 7, q, 8. And plus 9, 1 squared minus 1 equal to 0. So here, I want to calculate delta from previous part. It was b squared minus 4ac. It will be 273 squared. Before that, let's divide by 3. If I want to divide by 3, for that, calculation will be better. I want to divide also this by 3. If I divide by 3, it will be a squared minus 273 by 3. It will be 8. 8. 9, sorry. 9, 1a plus 91 squared minus 1. We have a famous identity that a squared minus b squared. A minus b times a plus b. So you can say minus 1 is minus 1 squared. 91 minus 1, 91 plus 1. So it will be 90 times 92. And if you divide it by 3, it will be 30 times 92 equal to 0. If we divide by 3, 90 will be 30. If I now calculate delta, it will be 91 squared b squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. 30 times 92. So it will be 91 squared is 91 times 91. 4 times 3, 120 times 92. It's obviously less than 0 because 120 is greater than 91. 92 also greater than 91. So this minus this equal is less than 0. So again, we don't have any answer here. So we found 4 answers. A3 before, B4. Sorry. A3 before. Let me correct it. A4, B3. The next one. A6, B negative 5. A negative 5, B6. We have 4 answers for this problem. Okay, so if you want to learn other ideas, you can send message to my number, WhatsApp number in the description and comments. If you want to learn these tricks and want to prepare for Olympiads and other math exams, you can send message to me. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. You can use my other videos to improve your ability in problem solving. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.